Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can make Windows 10 restore point. Now you may ask, what is the restore point? Restore point is the state to which you can revert back the operating system settings in case they become corrupted or the operating system is not performing as expected. So guys, let's go and dig in.
Okay guys, first we search for control panel. Click control panel. From control panel we go to system and security. Then file history. Then we go to recovery. Then we go to configure system restore. By the way guys, this feature of restore point is not activated by default. You need to activate it in order for it to work. As you can see here, protection it's showing off. We go to configure, turn on system protection. And then now we will assign the disk space in the C drive, how much it can use to store restore points. In our case, as this is an example, I will give 8%. Then click apply, click OK. Then create the restore point. Here you can give the name for the restore point. In our example, as I'm going to install K-Lite codec, so I'll give the name. Then the date. Then click create. So now it will create the restore point. The restore point was created successfully. Now we click close and click OK. Now what we are going to do, I'm going to install K-Lite codec. Next. I'm not going into the options right now. Okay, the application is installed. It's showing here. It's opening. Okay, now after installing this application, maybe Windows starts giving errors or it will start doing restarts itself, or you will get blue screen of death. So now we are going to store the Windows before the installation of this software. So we will go back, control panel, select control panel, system and security, file history, recovery. Now we'll go to open restore, open system restore. We click next. And this is the restore point which we have made before the installation of K-Lite codec. So now we will scan for affected programs. Any programs that were added since the last restore point will be deleted, and any that were removed will be restored. So what it's saying that this program K-Lite codec pack, it will be removed because it is not present at the time we took the restore point. So it will remove it from the registry, it will remove it from the system files as if it were not installed. Okay guys, so for this part I will show you later on. For now we will click close and click next. Finish. Once started, system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? Yes. Make sure, guys, when the system restore process starts, you should not shut down your PC. Your PC should not go on the hibernate mode. Otherwise, it will corrupt each and everything. It will take a couple of minutes to restore the system files and settings. It's totally depend on at the time of taking restore point, how many applications installed in your system. The system restarted. As you can see, system restore completed successfully. The system has been restored to the date and time we have created the restore point. Your documents have not been affected. Okay, guys, what it's saying that the documents, your office documents, Excel sheet, Word documents, they will not be affected by the system restore. So it is very safe. We can close the button. Now, one more thing, guys. System restore will repair the system files and the registry, but the files of that application which we have installed in our example, they are still there. So we have to manually remove them. This PC, C drive, and program files. As you can see, it did not remove the files. So you have to manually remove the folder so that you can free up the space in the C drive. We click delete, continue. Now it's gone. Okay, click refresh. Now we will restart again. The system restarted. Now we will check that it's removed this Klite codec completely. In the search box, we will write media. As you can see, it's totally removed from the system. Okay, now we will go back to system restore. System security, file history, recovery. Okay, now we will open system restore. Now what it's showing here, you can see this, there is a new option available, undo system restore. This option is there, guys. What if you restore the system to the earlier point in time and it's not working out for you, or that system restore is corrupt, or you are getting more errors after restoring the system? So you can undo the changes, or you can choose different restore points if you have more than one or two. Like what is showing here, restore operation, undo. This is the restore point what we have done from this restore point. Okay, if we click on this and we click next, then it will undo the system restore. Okay, let's say we have another restore point which we have created in like time after time, which is a good habit. If you make it before installation of any software or anything application, you don't know what will it will do to the system. So it is better you make system restore point. So we will make another one, create, and then we can give the name for our example, second restore point. Close it. Okay. Now we will go to open system restore, choose a different restore point. Now as you can see, the one which we have created right now, it's showing there. So we have now 1 and 2 restore points. So sometimes it's happened that one restore point is not working for you. So you can uh, choose the other restore point to recover your system. And what if you want to delete all your restore points and want to create a new one? You can go to configure system restore and configure, and then you can delete it from here. Delete all restore points for this drive. If you click this button, delete, it will ask you, are you sure? Click continue. Then the restore points were deleted successfully. So now you don't have any restore points left. So then you can create a new one. If you click system restore to check, it will say restore point file in settings. There is no restore points has been created on your computer system. We can cancel it. We can again go to system restore, create. We give the name, new restore point, and click create. Close. Okay. You open the system restore again. Now you see the new restore point.